guys, so my mom, we all watched Life Hack for popcorn. So we got
what kind of popcorn?
caramel popcorn. So we got caramel.
So we got the
Caramel.
Here, show them what kind of caramel right here. Okay. And how many you got over there?
Wait, I don't even have to count. 4, 5. 5.
5. Okay.
We're gonna add some popcorn and butter on it. Then we're gonna add a little more butter.
Okay, so put the butter in the bowl.
This.
Yep, just drop it to the bottom. Yep, knock it to the bottom.
And what else?
Now what you can do is to open up all the pieces of caramel and put it inside the bowl. Yep. Those are my favorite caramels.
I never even tried it before.
They are so delicious. Put it in there. Yep.
Eggs. Mom.
Ah, silly girl. So we're going to check to see if this actually works and makes it into caramel popcorn. Okay, dump it in. Don't spill it. Just dump it in nice. Careful, you're flinging popcorn everywhere.
I got it. Chunky.
Okay, no. It's okay. It's not really what I wanted you to do. There's still more in there. Just kind of knock it off. Get the spoon. Get the spoon. No, that spoon right there. And scoop it in.
Fight.
It's just like, I'll just grab it out. Is that all of it?
Yeah, just butter.
Okay. That's fine.
Let me wash my hands.
All right. Hurry up. Wash your hands. And I will put the lid on it nice and tight for you.
My hands are turning yellow.
Okay, it's nice and sealed.
So what are you going to do now?
Dry your hands. You're going to put it in the microwave and cook it. Come on.
There. How much seconds?
You're going to put it for 5 minutes.
Okay. Cook for 5?
5, 0, 0. All right. Let's see. You think it's going to work?
Mwah.
Do you think it's going to work? I don't know. I don't know how.
If it doesn't work, we give it to the dog.
Give it to the dog. You don't give the dog popcorn.
Well, can I try one of the caramels?
No, I know.
I love caramel. I never tried that caramel. They aren't popping though.
No, it takes a couple minutes before it starts to pop. What do you say?
Excuse me. Where did my water go? I tried buying new, Mommy. Could you get it, please?
Did the lid pop off? Stop it for a minute. Yeah, uh-oh. The lid popped off. It's going to let all the heat out.
Look at it, Mom.
Well, let's try it again, otherwise we might have to put it in a different container.
Start. I'm thirsty. This is my second day at school. I was online learning.
Yeah?
I love online learning. I can see my baby.
Okay, let's stop this for a minute. All right, let me pause this and put it in another container. All right, so we have transferred it into another dish.
Look, we made pizza caramel.
All right, let's try this one.
It's not moving.
It doesn't have to move.
I don't like it electrocuted.
Okay.
Ow, my butt. Get my juice.
All right, let's hope it works. Hopefully the lid stays on this one.
Yes. I wish I could stop.
I hear the butter sizzling.
It's not sizzling, it's popping. Like pop, 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 pop.
No.
Like a popping can.
It's sizzling. I don't hear no popping yet. I hope it works out because I love caramel popcorn.
We never tried it before.
We've had caramel popcorn before.
You made it?
No.
You bought it?
Yeah.
They smell caramel.
Oh, it's popping.
There's more. Come on, some candy?
Boop. Try to trick me.
It's not candy, it's not.
Yeah, we're gonna see if it turns to caramel. I don't think it's gonna work.
Me either.
But we might be wrong. You never know.
If it doesn't work, I'm using caramel. It's like popping. But Mom, why can't we just mush it and put it in popcorn?
This is what the video showed, so this is what we're doing.
Maybe next time we should use a blender. The caramel, we should pour it.
Yeah, it doesn't look like caramel popcorn to me so far, from what I can see.
I see caramel popcorn.
Do ya?
Yeah.
Maybe. No, you can't stop until it's done popping.
I need water. I'm thirsty. Here, let me get a bowl for that.
I'm gonna stop it in a minute.
Can I get a bowl? So, while it's cooking, if you watch our videos, you will.
All right, stop it. I don't hear it popping no more. I don't think it worked.
It did. Probably not.
No. Ooh, it leaked all over. That's for sure. Oh! The caramel. Ah, that did not work. Because the caramel melted the bowl.
Dee! Come here! Mom, look, there is caramel popcorn.
Yeah, but the caramel. Supper dishes. The caramel melted the bowl.
Oh my god.
So that did not work.
Mush.
No, that is hot and will burn you. So, was that a fail?
Yeah!
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. We would have to maybe try it in a glass microwave bowl.
It might melt.
Not if it's in glass.
Yeah, we should try it right now.
Yeah. Okay. So that one did not work. Epic fail.